China, medical devices regulations are drafted by the China Food and Drug Administration, also known as CFDA. The purpose of CFDA medical device regulation is to make sure that the entire life cycle of medical device is controlled as per requirements. In China, medical devices are classified into 3 classes, with Class 1 being the lowest risk and Class 3 being the highest risk. The level of regulatory control increases as medical device risk class increases. The classification of medical device could be done referring to the Classification Catalogue of Medical Device and Definition of Classification, 2014, and the new version of Classification Catalogue of Medical Device, 2017. The manufacturer needs to establish which are the relevant technical standards which are applicable to their product and develop their product based on the requirements stated on these standards. Example, for a software you may need to follow the following standards. After fulfilling the technical requirements, there is a need to undergo type testing, a process of testing products and obtaining testing reports by a designated third party. Type testing is a must for all Class 2 and Class 3 of medical devices. Type testing consists of 3 processes: the prepare phase, testing phase, and obtaining of test report. All medical devices must do clinical trial in China, unless it is reflected in the clinical trial exemption list. To prepare for clinical trial, it is recommended to choose 2 to 3 institutions for clinical trials and organize a research meeting for each product for discussion and determination of clinical trial protocol. After organizing the researcher meeting, there is a need to prepare ethics meeting to obtain ethical approval. ARQon China will then assist in achieving the agreement between applicant and research institution. Lastly, a startup training meeting is needed for each institution. The clinical trial has 5 processes: research document preparation, clinical trial preparation, institution management, data management and statistical analysis. And lastly will be clinical trial report. In conclusion, the average duration for Class 2 medical device registration in China could take as long as 27 months, where 1 month for technical requirements, 6 months for registration testing, 10 months for clinical trial, and 10 months for registration approval. This concludes the process of medical device registration in China. If you have any questions, feel free to contact ARQon at info@arqon.com.